Hi friends, today I want to preserve apples. I have about half a bushel here and I'm going to make apple preserves and apple syrup. Half a bushel made 2 batches of apple preserves. Per batch I used about 2 tablespoons of cerulean cinnamon, 2 cups of brown sugar, and 3 tablespoons of vanilla. I cooked the apples down until they were about half soft, meaning some of them had softened completely and some of them still had some crispness left to them. That way, as I get them out and use them throughout the year, I can continue to cook, add them to pies or sauces, or use them straight from the jar and get a variety of uses from them, cooking them in different ways.
Butter yellow right here, and then it does have functioning buttons as well. Now I'm wearing an extra small baby jacket. This is the chapel hill dress, and I know we're probably piece is this Sorrento dress. Love the little detail here with the ribbon. This tie is actually functional.
Making full use of this half bushel of apples, we're going to use all the peels and the cores. We're going to add those all into the stock pot and fill the pot about halfway up with water. Boil these down for about 2 hours, simmering on low, until the cores and the peels have gotten quite soft. Then you're going to strain it all out really well. I first used a strainer to get out all the large pieces, and then used a cheesecloth to make sure there were no seeds or pulp left behind. Then measure out how much liquid is left in your pot, and you will put in an equal amount of sugar. So I had 11 and a half cups of apple juice in my pot. That means that I ended up using 11 and a half cups of sugar to make the syrup. Be very careful not to walk away from the sugar as it begins to come to a boil, as sugar can overboil very quickly and cause a huge mess, and if you're not careful, could burn you very badly. So use caution when making this recipe. What you do is dump that.
And behind you, right there.
I then added about 2 tablespoons of cerulean cinnamon and 3 tablespoons of good vanilla. This syrup turned out so lovely. It's a beautiful amber color, and it's wonderfully sweet, not too thick, very much has the consistency of 100% maple syrup. This will be so nice to sweeten drinks with, especially hot ones like tea, and to have on biscuits.